everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy, and I'm here with my very first video here on YouTube, and I want to welcome you. I want to ask you, if you find this fun or entertainment, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload some content. So today, with my first video, I'm gonna be semi-unboxing a UBEESIZE 10-inch ring light with the adapter for the phone and or camera. I had this this item in my cart on Amazon for a while because it was out of stock. And in the meantime, I was looking at 6-inch and also 8-inch ring lights. But what sold me on this one was the reviews. The reviews are very good, almost a 5-star. Also, it has a remote control, which you can control by pausing your video or taking photos straight from the remote, which connects through Bluetooth into an Android or a iPhone. And it also has 3 temperatures on the light, which is white, yellow, and warm. I bought it mostly for content, video content and photographs, but I know I have 2 teenagers, so I know they're gonna find it very fun to use for TikTok as well. With no further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So let's get right into it so I can show you what it came with. So, this is the adapter for the phone, which you can use as landscape and or horizontal and or vertical. You can put the phone right in there. And then it has, of course, the AC/DC adapter for the light. And it also has a remote control, which I find that is really nice feature. And from here, you can control the stop or pause or start of your videos, or snap your photos from here, from the remote. So you don't have to necessarily reach for the, for the pad, but you can use your remote. I have a little ring thing on it because I don't want to lose it, because it's so tiny you can lose it anywhere. But let me show you the ring light. And as you can see, it's small. I have a small hand, so yeah, this is what it looks like. And here's the touchpad that I was talking about. And this is the part of the tripod, and it has a carry case, which is very convenient, may I add. It's made out of not the best material. It's like a nylon material, but you know what, guys? Doesn't matter. It's, again, like I said, very convenient that you can have a carry case for it and take it back and forth wherever you need to take it. So this is the tripod, guys. As you can see, you can adjust it here. Very lightweight. This is the pad where you connect your camera if you're going to use the camera, as well as this is where you connect the ring light, and after the ring light you connect where your phone is going to be. But I'll show you that assembled. But you can move this. It has a lever, I think it's called a level, I don't know, but my husband loves these things. He's very particular about everything being very leveled, so he would like this feature. Again, that's the tripod in its smallest. I think it's 16 inches. And let me show you something. I want to show you how fast it is to, or easy to, extend these legs on it. And how fast it can be extended. So you guys, this is the tripod assembled. This 2020 new design with the touchpad feature. This is the brightness control here for all the way bright, and then you bring it down whichever way you want to, you know, how bright you want it. That's to adjust the brightness on it. And then we have the 3 color temperatures: bright white, let me see, that's bright white. This is warm yellow and warm white. So it has 3 adjustments on that. You know, whichever way you're gonna use it or you're gonna be working with, right? So yes, you guys, this is the end of my video and review on this UBEESIZE 10-inch ring light with the adapter. I want to thank you for sticking with me, and if you made it to the end of the video, I want to thank you. And again, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And with that being said, guys, I want to leave you on a positive note with a positive word that is found in Romans 10:10 that says, "For it is with your heart that you believe and that you are justified, and it is with your mouth that you profess and are saved." Thank you for watching. God bless you. God keep you. And until next time, guys. Bye. Let's see, how can I do this? There's no way to put it all the way up. Oh my God. And that's a blooper.